the rules and regulations of the library. When we say rules and regulations, these are the things that you should follow. So these are the things that you need to do and not to do inside the library. Okay? So let me introduce first myself, especially for those new ones, yung mga bagong student natin. I am Madam Lana. Okay? I am the school librarian. So whenever you have problems in the library, you can ask me. Again, Madam Lana. So good morning, grade 3.
Good morning, Madam Lana.
Very good. Okay, sit down. So let's start with wait ah. Wait lang. Muna kayo kumanta, huwag kayong kumakanta. Nag-iingay kasi yan eh. Where are our rules and regulations? Yan. Yan na, malapit na, malapit na. Tungkol, follow. Surprise ako later kapag nakinig kayo. Di ba ng surprises? Ron, yun mga gusto ko. Okay, yan.
Madam Lana,
Yes.
it's my birthday yesterday. It's 25.
Yesterday, nakantahan ka na ba nila? Gusto mo ba kantahan ka nila ulit? Oh, let's sing happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy birthday! Ba yan? Di ba? Hindi ko kala. Wait niyo ako ah. Sandali. Wait lang.
Happy na pala. Naka-video. Ayun po lang. Love scars.
Family.
Uy, bagay.
Yan. Wait lang ah. Love. 30. Yan, yan na, yan na, yan na. Okay. So these are our rules and regulations. Can you read everybody? Number 1?
Library cards are distributed for anything in the library, especially when the library is a library. Library cards are non-transferable.
Okay. So it is meaning you need a library card when you go to the library. So everybody is encouraged to have their own library card. Hindi yung ID ha. Library card is look like this. Ganito. So lahat kayo pwede magkaroon ng library card. It's free. Walang bayad. All you need to do is to bring a picture. Yung picture nyo. Yung maliit na picture lang. Yung size nun, 1 by 1. You tell your mommies, or daddies, or ates, or kuya to print a picture of you. Ha? So you can have the library card for free. Because no library card, no entry in the library. Is that clear? Okay, ganun. magpe-print. Magpa-print kayo ng picture para magkaroon kayo ng library card. Again, free to, walang bayad. It's free. Okay, next. Read.
Students and teachers may borrow a maximum of 2 books.
Okay, you can borrow 2 books at a time. Pwede daw kayo mag-borrow ng 2 titles ng book. Ilan ang pwedeng i-borrow? Okay, so when you borrow today, remember you will return it tomorrow. Kinaumagahan, ha? Kasi ang books natin are for overnight loan lang. Ibig sabihin, isang gabi lang matutulog yung book sa bahay nyo. Ha? So, kung nanghiram kayo today, kailan isole? Bukas. Ha? Is that clear? Okay. Next. Number 3, read.
Reference books like dictionaries, pieces, visual toys, board games, internet materials, math uploads, etc. only be used inside the library.
Okay, very good dun sa nakabasa ng ETC. Ibig sabihin ng ETC are etc. or many more. Okay? So this many more is po examples niyan yung mga other board games. So yung may mga chess tayo, may Uno cards. Those are the materials that you cannot borrow at home. So you can only use that inside the library. Yes, anak.
Serious lang po si Gabriel. Inom
Sige.
lang ng gamot.
Sige, sige.
Gabi.
Balik mo siya.
Saan ako dalawa kayo?
Is that clear? Pwede lang kayong maglaro inside the library. Yung mga educational toys natin. Yung mga chess, Monopoly, mga ganon. You can use that inside the library. Number 4, read. Okay. Playing, yung sinasabing playing dito, yung tumatakbo, nag-hide and seek. Yun, saka nagsha-shout-shout. Yun yung bawal sa loob ng library. Pero yung educational toys, you can play it inside the library. Number 5.
Now libraries are
O, anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi pwedeng kumuha ng mga gamit or ng mga books nang walang permission. Kayo ba gusto nyo ba kinukuha yung gamit nyo nang hindi nagpapaalam? Diba? Hindi. So, ganun din sa library. You ask permission first before taking out the materials. Number 6, everybody read. Okay, silence. Diba? Kasi yung library is a study area. So, yung may, kailangan diba pagka nag-aaral, tahimik, walang ibang kayo naririnig. Cleanliness, dapat lang malinis ang library. Number 7. Prohibited, ibig sabihin bawal. So, eating, bawal. Sleeping, syempre bawal. Kasi dapat mag-study lang sa library. Littering, alam niyo ba yung littering? Yung nagkakalat, bawal. And loitering, yung tumatambay lang sa library. So, ayoko ng mga tambay sa library. Kunyari, ay doon tayo sa library, aircon doon, magpalamig tayo. Lalo na, kagagaling nila sa takbuhan sa baba, di ba? Alam ko yan. Ganun yung mga technique ng iba dyan. Ayoko ng ganun. Dapat sa library, nag-assignment, nag-read ng books. Next, number 8. Okay, yung mga discussion. So, yung mga nagsasalita ng malalakas. Pwede kayong mag-usap, pero in a lower voice. Mga bulong-bulong lang, di ba? Okay, meetings, lectures. Number 9.
Now you know use elements and write material like iPad, LED
meron yung charge. I-charge yun syempre dun sa nanghiram. So, you always remember when you borrow things in the library, dapat you take care of it. Ha? Para hindi kayo mag-charge o magbayad. Oo. Kaya dapat iingatan. Is that clear? Do you have any questions about our library? Okay. So, you still have lots of time. So, hindi ko na inano yung ibang library. Kasi, pupunta naman na kayo lagi dito, di ba? So, my surprise to you, you will watch a movie. So, this will be your relax time, relaxing time. Pero, may condition. Kapag may magulo, may maingay, babalik na kayo sa classroom. Magle-lesson na lang. Gusto niyo yun? Lesson or watch? That's a agreement, ha? Sige, pagka may nagkulit na wala na, babalik na tayo sa classroom. Okay? Okay, yes. Yes, no food and drink in the library. Kaya pinakain ko na kayo para huwag kayo magdala ng kahit drink sa library. Kasi kapag natapon yung pinakain nyo, or may magkakaroon ng mga langgam, di ba? Mababasa yung mga books. Sayang naman yung mga books natin. Sandali lang, ang tagal ng computer. Wait natin. Ha? Tagal ng laptop ni Mata.